Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, on Draw Stuff Real Easy today, we are going to be drawing a sweet potato. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it! Doing it the Draw Stuff Real Easy way, we are going to sketch it in with pencil lightly first, and then we're going to ink it in, and then we're going to erase all those pencil lines so you never know how it was planned out. So you'll need a pencil and a pen and an eraser. Now I am going to start by penciling in a curve coming around like that. And then I'm going to draw another one coming down around like that, so they don't join. And that's all the plan that we need, but this is really so that we can get the whole thing in the right position. I'm going to start here by going underneath and then kind of up and over the line, and then kind of underneath and then up and over the line a bit, and then I'm just going to kind of just come in a little bit there. I'm going to do a little kind of wobble. So there's a little bit of rooty thing kind of sticking out, and then maybe just go slightly above and slightly below. So, because they're very knobbly kind of things, and they're not really equally kind of smooth all the time. And then we'll take that to about there. Now we can come down here, and we can sort of maybe slightly wobbly, but around about halfway here we're going to come up like that, and then I'm going to just draw some little dots just to make that sort of fade away like that, and then we'll come up slightly above that original line, and we'll come down and sort of curve like an S up around there, which means that then we can kind of join that bit there. Now today is an easy one, so we can erase those pencil lines right now and get that planning stuff out of the way. Now what you could do is to draw some curves like that to draw it very lightly so you can erase it easily afterwards. That will give you a feeling for the curve of the whole thing. And then here draw a little curve and a little kind of triangle. Maybe there, another one with a little triangle, following these curves, like maybe another one there, and maybe another one about there, like that. And then we can put kind of a few other little sort of marks in very roughly. So it's just to give that kind of sweet potato kind of skin kind of look like that. And then again, if you did put those pencil lines in, you can erase them easily because you didn't press too hard, did you? And you did let the ink dry first, didn't you? So we're going to add a little bit of shading now. We're just going to do these little bits of shading like this all the way down the side, and I'm going to stop talking and just zoom straight through it. So when we get to here, we can just make that sort of dot away a little bit, and here we want to continue like that, and then we can bring that around again, up around there, and then we maybe want a little bit of shade in there. And then finally, let's put it on the table so we can put a horizon line kind of there in the background, and then we're going to put some simple shading on the ground here like that. Could be the ground, could be a table, could be sitting on top of a hotel or a pyramid or something. No, a pyramid would be a bit pointy, wouldn't it? So and that will ground the thing and make it actually sort of sit on the table. And then all you need to do is to make it a kind of sweet potato kind of colour, and there you go, how to draw a sweet potato. Thanks for watching, and keep coming back to Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. Make sure you are subscribed so you know when the next video comes out, usually every Thursday, 4 o'clock UK time. And in the meantime, keep drawing, practice. I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.